Hey guys, Sean Terry here, flip2freedom.com. What's up? It's been a while that I've been online, and I have some amazing information I want to share with you, an announcement that I'm super excited about. It's a new era. I want to talk about that real quick. So first off, the backstory. So in early 2024, there's a couple things that changed in my life. And I'll tell you the two major shifts that happened. The first thing was I took my whole family to a Tony Robbins Unleash the Power Within event, UPW. He asked a question that I had a hard time answering in the event. And he said, for you to be a highly successful business, you have to add more value to the client than anybody else in the marketplace, and you will have an incredibly successful, fulfilling business. So I felt like I did that with Flip2Freedom. I didn't feel like that with the client of my wholesaler. I had sellers that came to me that were in distress, and I didn't feel like I was an advocate or adding massive amount of value in their lives. That made an impact, and I started asking the questions like, how can I add more value to a seller's life? The second major thing that happened was, if you've been following my stuff for years, you know that I'm a born-again Christian, follow God, give my life to Christ, right? But there's following God and giving your life to Christ, and then there's actually submitting to God 100% and giving him everything you got. And I never really lived like that. I ran my business, did my things, ran the podcast and stuff, and I was in control. And yes, I prayed, and yes, I lived Christian values and stuff like that, but I never really submitted to God ever until early 2024. I started attending a different church. My daughter became a worship leader, and I really dove in, and I kind of changed the direction because God really worked on my heart in really saying, how am I really being an advocate for these distressed sellers, number one, and am I building the kingdom? So I decided to make a decision. Essentially, I've been off social media since early 2024, and I haven't been promoting any products or pushing out any stuff like that, so I've been off. And I pretty much have rolled down my real estate operation, gave it all to God. I said, all right, God, you tell me what you want me to do. And months passed, and at this time, I still had employees and payroll and stuff like that I was paying, and gave me an idea, and I launched a real estate startup in early 2025 that was more of an advocate for sellers, trying to help them instead of negotiating against them to get the lowest price possible, try to get the highest price. It's been an exciting adventure. We've got close to 30 employees now all across the entire world, and it's been growing. But I still have you guys, right? You guys are my heart. I love teaching. I love training. I love doing that. And we have an incredible mastermind of incredible people that love this business and that operate in a way that are honest and ethical. The bottom line is that I have you guys. And what do? Do I just walk away and let it go? And the answer is no, because you love this business, you love real estate. After all this time, there has been one person that has been on the coaching calls, on the trainings, on the deal or no deals, out there loving to teach, loving what we do, loving people, loving this business, and is a all-around good person all the way. And he's stepped up. So what I've decided is to pass the Flip2Freedom baton to this gentleman, which I'll introduce you to shortly. There's not that many people out there in the industry that has the talent and ability to teach, but also is an operator. I'm telling you, there's hardly any. We had a conversation, had an agreement. I decided to pass the baton to this specific gentleman, and I believe that he brings a different type than I do, but in a better way, and he can lead to a bunch of different things. When it comes to technology, he's on the cutting edge, which is amazing. I'm excited for that. It's gonna be awesome. I got some other plans for my YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that, but it's gonna be more Christian business versus education on real estate. But this gentleman I'm gonna introduce you to is going to take Flip2Freedom to the next level, and I'm excited to pass that baton on. So let's get to it. So who is Well, I want to introduce you to Brandon Jarvela. Now, you probably know Brandon Jarvela if you've been part of the Flip2Freedom world, because Brandon Jarvela has done our coaching calls. We have something called Deal or No Deal. He's been on dealing with coaching students, PPC. You've been part of Flip2Freedom, I don't know, for years and years and years now. You've been part of the mastermind. You've built your business. You've been through ups and downs. You know what it's like to start from scratch, to do your first deal and then move up to 10 deals and then hire people and then build and understand KPIs to go from solo wholesaler entrepreneur to someone who now is a business operator. So I'd like to introduce you to Brandon Jarvela, who is now the rightful owner of Flip2Freedom and has the energy, the wherewithal, the skill, the talent, and the know-how to take it to the next level. And I think he really will take it to the next level. And so you're gonna see a lot more content, a lot more stuff, and releasing courses and all sorts of stuff from him coming out, which is gonna be awesome. How'd you get in real estate?
How I got in real estate, it was really a seed that God planted on my heart. Who would have thought that the kid that was causing all the trouble, getting kicked out of school, all these things, I needed a redirection in life. And for me, that was the military. Straight out of boot camp, I'm getting deployed to the Middle East. Did 8 years, yeah.
Wow.
Spent 3 years in the Middle East, 5 years on an aircraft carrier. Worked with fighter jets, the Super Hornets, the Baby Hornets,
yeah,
all the different aircraft.
Tell me about your first deal.
I had this mindset coming into this thing. I need to build this thing local first, and then I'll branch out.
Right.
But you just said branch out.
Right.
So branched out, we're hitting like 23 states that first year. And first deal came out of an adjacent state. I was in Virginia at the time. First deal came out of North Carolina. And the woman lived in New York. She had a tenant and she's paying property taxes and she just needs to get rid of this thing. I told her I'd take care of it all. I didn't know what I was doing.
Right.
And so I wanted to make sure I didn't blow the thing up. So what I did, most people probably wouldn't be willing to do this. I drove from Virginia about 6 hours down to the property multiple times just to put eyes on it.
This is a virtual deal.
Virtual deal.
Yeah, good thing it was in California, right?
Yeah, did my first deal really in person, but driving hours back and forth to his property. I knew that if I could do it one time, I could do it again and again and again and better and better and better each time.
I remember I got my first deal, and after I got my first deal done, it took like 3 months to get my second deal. And I was like, am I ever gonna get a deal again? Was that an anomaly? Did something happen? I was like, and then 3 months later, I got my next deal and it was like $36,000. For me at that time, it was like a lot of money.
Yeah.
This is crazy, one deal, rich. It was like, it's awesome.
What I noticed is a lot of people will kind of take from here, take from there, take from here, but for me, it was always just laser focused. If Sean is teaching it, that's what I'm doing. If Sean said wax off, it's wax off. If Sean says paint the fence, it's paint the fence, right?
Right.
If Sean painted the Mona Lisa, all I was doing was just tracing it.
All right, so what's the bottom line? The bottom line is Brandon's taking over Flip2Freedom. I'm excited. We had a great conversation here. And look for cool things that are happening because he is definitely on the cutting edge of what we're doing in this space. So pay attention, make sure you subscribe or sign up to the list or whatever you got to do. Keep an eye out for him because he's going to go out there and crush it.